What's up, guys? It's Isaac at Tobacco Road Harley-Davidson here in Raleigh, North Carolina with your pre-owned bike of the week, a 2018 Sportster 48 in Billiard White. Now, this bike is equipped with a 1200cc Evolution motor, not the 883, which is going to be the first question anybody's going to ask of a Sportster. Granted, the right rider could do plenty of work with either. The Sportster line of motorcycles from Harley-Davidson is pretty much one of everybody's favorites. And for many riders, myself included, it was our first motorcycle. They're light, easy to handle, look good, and they've got plenty of power off the stoplight. Not to mention, there are tons of aftermarket accessories and support for the Sportster line, so you can really dress these bikes up and make them yours. Now, there are some people that will argue the Sportster line is a little too girly for them, and many ladies do appreciate the smaller, lighter frame of the Sportster. But anybody can have a blast on this thing. Now, larger touring bikes and cruisers, they certainly have their place, but when you're trying to navigate somewhere like downtown Raleigh, the maneuverability of the Sportster and just how easy you can get this bike into wherever you need it to is pretty unmatched. But if you still hear people giving you a hard time about this bike, just get a louder pipe and you'll be good to go. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this bike. So starting in the front, you'll notice the larger front tire. Skinny tires look cool, but if you've ever driven over a storm grate on a drawbridge, then you'll definitely appreciate the added comfort of these oversized front tires. Above that is the standard halogen headlight of the Sportster. Bar-mounted speedometer with 3,800 miles on the clock, so this bike has been kept warm for you and is still about to get broken good. You've got about 8-inch mini apes with upside-down mirrors for extra style points. Also included on the bars is an added RAM phone mount. You've got a classic-looking tank with a retro style as the focal point of this bike, really pulling everything together. This tank holds just over 2 gallons of liquid fire, feeding a 1200cc Evolution motor with Vance and Hines air cleaner and short shots, making up the stage 1 on this bike. And just to show you what this old girl sounds like. So as you can tell, it's not too bad of a sound. You've got 4 controls that I'm sure you'll find in the perfect spot. A BMC Corbin solo seat for you to park your rear in with a nice cleaned up rear fender, simple yet effective rear lighting, and a side-mounted license plate. Hopping on this bike, you'll see that it's not too aggressive of a riding platform, but it's still set up to let you know that it's ready to rip. And looking at it, it's an amazing blend of black and chrome, and it's just waiting for somebody to take it home. So be sure to come see us here at Tobacco Road Harley-Davidson in Raleigh, North Carolina, and let us make this bike yours. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.